Hello, all you big, beautiful brains out there. Today, we're going to talk about the halo effect. Before we get started, take a minute to subscribe to Psy vs. Psy. Help out your friendly neighborhood psychologist while I tell you all about the halo effect. In 1920, psychologist Edward Thorndike published a paper called The Constant Error in Psychological Ratings. In the paper, Thorndike describes his experiment where he asked commanding officers in the military to evaluate the characteristics of their soldiers. These officers rated on all kinds of things, like leadership, loyalty, appearance, IQ, and even things like likability and dependability. What he noticed was that when the officers rated the appearance of their soldiers higher, they also rated other unrelated things higher. Thorndike called it the halo effect, but it's not halo like the Beyonce song, but halo in the manner of one thing that everything else radiates from. One characteristic influences how we feel about other unrelated characteristics. This is especially true when a characteristic is highly valued. For instance, going back to Thorndike's initial discovery, a pristine appearance in uniform is extremely important in the military. How well you present yourself impacts people's opinions of you and on all those other characteristics like leadership or loyalty. But it's not always just about looks. Most of us rate people who are prettier or more attractive high on other characteristics that maybe aren't so prized, like vanity, dishonesty, and manipulation. Instead, the halo effect works by finding that key factor in any situation and radiating all opinions about your character based on that key factor. For example, teachers rate students who are well-behaved, key factor, as more engaged and more intelligent, radiates out. Bosses rate employees high in enthusiasm, the key factor, higher in other areas like the ability to do their job. If you want to know more about the factors that impact what people think about you, make sure you subscribe to Psy vs. Psy so you can get all of our other videos and you can learn all about the science of psychology. Until next time, keep thinking, and I'll see y'all later. Bye! I can see your halo, halo.
Halo.